Hi, okay, so in this video we're going to be looking at a very simple if statement. It's called a conditional statement. Right, basically what we're going to use, we're going to get the program to give a user a choice of opening a door or continuing to move on. If they choose to open the door, then we'll get a message to appear, and if they say we don't want to open the door, then we'll get a different message to appear. So, okay. So we're going to have the user is going to make a decision, and we need to store that somewhere. So let's call a variable open door. Okay, variables automatically realizes a variable. Let's put it in Y. So okay, so we want to input something here. So we're going to get the user to say input, maybe we can say something like you come to a door, will you enter, or will you continue on. So and what we'll say is press Y for open, and we'll say press N for no. So there we go, right? So the user's going to store. A user's going to put in either Y or N. It's going to store it in open door. Right now, that will automatically assume that it's going to be a string because we haven't told it otherwise. So let's just test this. So let's do a print statement, and we'll get it to print out open door. Right. Okay. So let's run this and see what happens. Okay. So we've got the message come up on the screen. Let's try. Let's put in a Y. It's not going to make any difference, right? Okay, because it's it's printed out. It's printed out the yes, so that's good. So we've got Y, it's printed out the Y. So what we need now is some kind of decision. So we're going to use an if statement. So if we're going to say if the open door equals Y, then we need a colon there. Oops, we need a colon there. Then you see when you press that, it automatically goes into the next line, and it's really important that you indent this, so you can use a tab. So if it's open door, then we'll get it to print a message. We'll say I don't know, there is a monster behind the door. Run fast. Okay. And then, a different answer. So if they're going to press N, then we're going to use L if. Let's put the second open door equals N. We're going to have it to colon. Don't forget the colon at the end. We're going to have it to print. Something like please walk carefully forwards. Okay, I've introduced a little error in there just to show you, but let's run this and see what happens. So let's run this again. Right, so what's happened is it's got to line 6 in here, and we've got an error coming up, right? So the error is on this line here. Now what we've done is we've made a mistake with the equals here. So in Python, if you're doing any kind of testing two things, checking equals, you must use two equal signs. Okay. So if you check it, it's an equivalence statement. You can use it with text, or you can use it with numbers as well. We're going to need to do the same thing here. Right, let's run that again. So let's put in Y. Okay, so then it prints out the second statement. Let's run it again and just test the other possibility. So run. Okay, so we need to press an N. I think I've not clicked on that page here. Let's put an N. Right. Okay, it would help if I spelled carefully right. Right. Okay, that about does it. So that's a very simple if statement. Okay. And it does rely on the user either pressing in Y or N. If they press something else, then it's not really going to work that well. So it would be better to have some kind of check in here at the beginning to make sure they've pressed one of those correctly. Anyway, that's the long and short of it, basically. It's a basic, simple if statement. Okay.